Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a question that came through the comment section about screensavers and why aren't they used anymore. And he's saying that he remembers, screensavers back in the day. He thought they were cool and wondered if they still exist. So, first of all, the idea of the screensavers back in the day was to prevent burn-in of the CRT screens. You know, when we had these really big screens that were heavy, well, these screens had a problem with having a fixed image that never changes. It could burn the tube, the phosphor on the tube, and then you would kind of see a ghost image that would never go away. Maybe some of you have noticed it in some PCs. I've noticed it particularly on ATMs, banks that used old ATMs that were with the same image for a long time, and you see that it's burn in. So what happened is that when CRT screens went away, the need for screensavers went away with them, because most of the screens today don't really have a problem of burn-in if you leave the same image for hours at a time. But, there's a nostalgia behind the screensavers and all. So if you go and search for screensavers in Windows 11, you will see that savers or screensavers here. Change screensaver. And it says it's in the control panel. This is one thing that's still in the control panel. You will see that the old screensavers of the day are still here. For example, if I take the bubbles, and then there's the amount of time before it starts to go on your screen, that's there. And of course, you can do a preview. So these screensavers were very popular, and people even downloaded software from the internet, programs that would add all sorts of screensavers. I remember one that was really nice that I used for a long time, which was a aquarium, which was very beautiful. And all of that still exists today. It's just that with the fact we don't need screensavers anymore, and most computers are now actually programmed to shut off the screen after just a certain amount of minutes, it became something that from the past. Basically, computers today don't really need them, and the only reason you might want to have screensavers is for the fun of it, which I totally understand, because there was some fun in having some of the screensavers back in the day. So they still exist. Just search for screensavers on Windows 11. You'll see the old screensavers from the day are still there. And hopefully, maybe you'll find something that you could put. But they are unnecessary today, honestly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.